Leaders of India, Israel, UAE and the US have said that the inaugural I2U2 summit focused on the food security crisis and clean energy. In a joint statement, I2U2 leaders said innovative ways were discussed to ensure longer-term, more diversified food production and food delivery systems that can better manage global food shocks. The UAE has announced to invest $2 billion to develop a series of integrated food parks across India. These parks will incorporate state-of-the-art climate-smart technologies to reduce food waste and spoilage, conserve fresh water and employ renewable energy sources. Earlier addressing the first I2U2 summit, Prime Minister Narendra Modi said under the I2U2 framework, India, Israel, UAE, USA are working to increase investments in the field of water, energy, environment, health and space.
ये स्पष्ट है कि I2U2 का विजन और एजेंडा प्रोग्रेसिव और प्रैक्टिकल है। अपने देश की परस्पर स्ट्रेंथ, कैपिटल, एक्सपर्टाइज और मार्केट्स को मोबिलाइज करके हम अपने एजेंडा को गति दे सकते हैं।